Hi everybody! This set of lecture notes looks at the writing process, and you should be looking at these notes in conjunction with the writing process paper directions. That's major paper number 2 that we're getting started on this week, and that we'll progress working on until almost the end of the quarter. So the writing process is something that's very individual to you, but there are some steps that most everybody goes through and takes as they're moving through that process to create an essay or a paper, an article, a book for a prescribed audience, for whoever they want to be reading that work. So I've gone over some of those generalities in this set of lecture notes, but this won't make a lot of sense if you haven't read through the instructions for the paper first. So make sure that you go back, read those directions if you haven't yet, come back to these notes, go over them, and look at some of the information I've compiled for you. And keep this in mind as you're going through and cataloging your own writing process over the next week or so in the intent of writing your next major paper.